Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your project and going straight to Settings, Locate Project, then Python Interpreter. Once there, you'll see the active interpreter and a gear icon for options. Click the gear to add or choose interpreters because you want to link the right environment. Make sure to note whether you're using a Virtualenv, Conda, or System Interpreter. This initial check saves time later and clarifies whether you'll create, add, or simply switch interpreters. You start by disconnecting the negative clamp, then the positive, safety first. Once done, clear corrosion with a wire brush and dry the post so you can see the damage. Make sure to measure the bolt diameter. Use a caliper or 1/4 gauge so the replacement matches. While you prepare tools, begin removing the old terminal, loosen anise screws, cute away damaged plastic threads, and file ragged edges. This gives you a clean work surface for the repair. Key parts organized /home/Ethan Lamar/n8n server/shared/script/script1 and print%s no uticlethicor repair. If the threads are only damaged, chassis them with the correct pansome light lubricant and then test the bolt. If they are gone, drill to the specified sizing install an utsertora 1/4 helicoil insert. Follow kit torque specs and seating depth. Once installed, thread the bolt in and out a few times to confirm smooth operation. Make sure to clean metal shavings, and then fit the terminal clamp to verify alignment and solid contact. Finish by reassembling the terminal. Install the clamp, torque the bolt to the manufacturer specification, and reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Once reconnected, check voltage at the posts and at the clamp under load with a multimeter to confirm good contact. If you find looseness or voltage drop, make sure the insert is fully seated and not cross-threaded. If problems persist, replace the entire terminal with a heavier duty unit. One tip: inspect for hidden corrosion that can mimic thread failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.